Okay, so my name is Angel Ching, and my partner here, my co-founder is TianGe, Terence. This is our project named CarEnvision.
So the purpose of our program is we used program language, we use Python, and it extracts opinions from experts on the selected car model and expert car reviewers and sends it through sentiment analysis. And then the program will create a virtual graph, which is polynomial graph in this case. And the curve of the graph would increase or decrease according to the sentiment. And like I said, we use the polynomial regression to predict the car's value in percentage.
Why we created this? So the problem we had was that thousands of car owners struggled to know when to sell their car for maximum profit or buy a car for the best price. So our solution was to predict the car value 1 year in the future.
So for the extraction of data stage, we use a text blog, and through the use of a car review website, which is jdpowers.com, we pull customer reviews from the page source of a certain car model. And only the reviews of customers are extracted using specific beginning and ending words in the code. And then it gets sentiments from the past 5 years for the specific car.
All right, what sentiment analysis is, it's a process of analyzing the percentage positive or negative based on a -1 to 1 scale, which can determine the critic's view of the car. Sentiments extracted are from 5 years ago. For example, 2015 Audi 8A extracts opinions from 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. Each sentiment of the car model is added together and then divided by the number of sentiments to find the average sentiment of the car.
So in order to train our model, which is our polynomial regression model, our input data is the sentiment of the past 5 years from different car models and years. And then our output data would be the value of the car.
So since this is like a long process, so me and Terence thought of an automated process to make this website more friendly for the user. So the machine learning program asks questions to adequately analyze the preferred brand, model, and year. Using the for loop to extract the sentimental review of each year, every percentage is then put into a list. The list is automatically fit into the model, where there's no work required.
So this is a screenshot of our program that we created on the website. And as you see, enter your brand here. That is where you enter the brand of the car. And so in this case, we entered, our example is Toyota, and then the model would be the Camry. And then our year that we want to analyze would be 2012. And so basically the program takes data from 5 years before 2012, and then it produces a predicted price. And so the way the program produces the value is represented as the percentage of total retail price in 2013, which is the predicted year that is after the 2012. So here it is 69% of total retail price in 2013.
So we actually have a model, or like if you guys could try it out as well. I have the website pulled up. If you guys could maybe like say like a car model, you can maybe like predict the value of your car. Oh wait, I don't think the website's pulled up. So, Terence, you want to show them the code?
Okay. Meanwhile, we can look at the code. So as you see, as you go down to starting at line 25, that is where we collected our data. That's going to be our sample data that we use to train the machine learning. And so we basically used 4 different car models, and for each year, we put the customer reviews that were for each year, and then our output data would be, so in line 53, the output data would be the current price divided by release price, and this gives us the value, the value for each car, for each example. And then so that was our training data. And then as we go down to line 70, that is where that is the code to connect with the website, which is jdpower.com, and that is where we got the data, the car review data. And as we go down to line 68, this for loop, we use the for loop. This is the for loop goes loops 5 times, because we are extracting data that are 5 years before the chosen year by the user. And then the rest of the code is for the automation, for what the website will give, like how the website will interpret the predicted price. So for example, line 102, it is that is what's printed on the website, so percent of total retail price in this year. And so that's basically our main code.
I'll try and get the model out. I don't think I can get it though. Wait, Terence, do you have the link to the website?
Well, we can just show them the screenshot again.
Oh yeah, okay. So this is basically the website that we created. It's really simple to use. You enter the brand year and your model, your year, and you press predict, and then it's going to give you a percentage of the total retail price. Is there anything you want to add, Terence?
Yeah, so we're still trying to improve the website with the HTML code, but for now, this is what we have so far, and it's still in development for the future. But that is basically it for today's presentation. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you for listening.
Thank you very